Hi everyone, hope you're all well. I'm actually starting to really enjoy this weather. It's 29 and I think I'm adapting to Mediterranean living. And according to what the weather forecast's telling me, this is here for another week, 2 weeks. So yay, get with it, you know. So we're barbecuing again because I am not cooking in here. Although I will be on Saturday when Owen's home. Okay, today we're doing spatchcock chicken on the barbecue, and I thought it might be of interest to show you. So I actually got John, because I am not very good with the process of spatchcocking. I don't have poultry scissors, we just have big sharp knives. So I'm just not good at it. John is excellent at it. So this is John's work, and I filmed it so it'll all be inserted. Okay guys, John's taking over this little bit for me. He's going to spatchcock the chicken because I always seem to struggle with the pressure on the knives. Down the backbone, I believe. Am I right, John?
Oh, it's two ways of doing it.
Right, okay. Well, this is the backbone way, is it?
Yeah, this is the way you want it.
Yeah. And this, you can hear the bones crack. I do know, I'm right in saying this, John, that some people use poultry shears.
Yes.
Yeah, so...
But we don't have any, so...
So it's the old-fashioned way we're doing it. Okay. So it's down the back. Are we taking the backbone out? Or
Yeah.
All right, okay. And the idea is we keep the chicken in kind of so it can butterfly on the barbecue grill, which is what we're doing today. This is a tiny chicken. It's one of those I was talking about in the other vlog where you can get 3 of these for £12, and they're actually lovely chickens. The Waitrose, they are very nice chickens, and we're quite happy with these for the 2 of us, aren't we? Wouldn't do a family of 4. You'd need the medium, because this is the small, so you would need a medium or large depending on...
It's easier doing it the other method, in this way.
Right, so this is the difficult way.
Only because that's what...
It's more, because we're taking the bone out.
Yeah.
Right, I understand.
That's taken out.
Yeah, so what would you describe as being the other way, John?
You just cut down the breast.
Right, John's just going to get rid of that. Now, he's
Stop.
late, I just want to say, guys, be super careful you keep your chicken, you know, it's on a separate board because of the risk of contamination and everything.
There you go.
Thank you, John. That's brilliant. I will take over now. So that's our little chicken from Waitrose, and I've rattled on about the 3 for £12. Well, we often go and buy 3 chickens. I put 2 in the freezer and eat one. And this is a small, and it's perfect for John and I. So if there's just 2 of you, that's great. The medium chicken's a little bit dearer, but they're still a very good buy. When you touching fresh chicken at all raw, do keep washing your hands, okay? So I'm just going to flip it over onto this board because I'm actually going to rub. I've got some oil here. I'm going to just drizzle a little bit of olive oil. It's going to be going onto a high heat, so I do want it to stay moist and not dry out. Okay, now into that I've got some mixed, my own idea. There's a little bit of sumac in it, cumin, oregano and salt, so all kind of like Mediterranean flavours, which I'm wanting to bring out in the chicken. So I'm just going to rub that in. This is where you get all messy. Right, again, a little bit more oil. Just really massage it in so it's going to sit in there in the skin. Then it holds the spices on and it turns the skin crispy. Now all this lot is going into hot soapy water to get washed any minute now. And then we're just going to have salad. I've boiled a few new potatoes, buttered them, so we're just going to have salad and new potatoes with this. Right, okay.
What's in your salad?
The salad is beetroot, shredded beetroot, cos lettuce, some wild rocket, there's avocado, there's baby cherry tomatoes, spring onions, cucumber, feta cheese, a few crunched up walnuts, and I'm just about to make dressing now. I'm just going to get rid of all this lot and wash my hands thoroughly. Right, so because this is going to go on the salad, I'm using my good oil, not my cooking oil. Nice glug. tablespoon. And my very delicious, as you can see, it's nearly gone, but I have got a new bottle. Very delicious balsamic vinegar. Giving that a swirl round and just tipping that over. I have seasoned the salad, and the feta's quite salty anyway. So there's not an awful lot there. You don't want it soaked. It's a dressing. It's not a sauce. So we're just going straight over the top, and then when I get the salad servers into that, mix it all up. That will be so yummy. In fact, God. And then we're going to make our way down, and I really need to get a medium-sized bowl. I know this is the perfect size for you and I, but it's not when I'm trying to toss the salad. I'll do. Oops. Oh dear. Gorgeous. Okay, so I'll get a tray out and we'll wander down. Yes, a little bit. Just thought I'd let you see what we actually use on our little Kamado. We don't buy it in small bags from the supermarkets. We actually get it delivered. This company is based in the New Forest, which isn't too far from us, and I usually get, or did last summer, I got 3 bags at one time, special offer. And this is the most, the professionals use, you can't buy these big bags. This is the best lumpwood charcoal I've come across yet. It's nice, great big pieces. It burns well. I've just never had a problem with it. It's equal burning, long lasting, high temperatures, fast igniting, and it's the top choice for restaurants. And I checked out quite a few restaurants, asked them what lumpwood they were using, and a lot of them use this one. So I thought, yeah, why not? And it actually worked out cheaper by doing it that way than going to the supermarket and buying one bag of their, one large bag of their charcoal. So I think that bag ended up costing about £7 or £8 because I went straight to the supplier. And because I did the bundle buy of 3, I got a really good deal. So it's worth looking around, and it's a local company, so that meant even more to me. So that's what we're using, and I need to check the fire. Just waiting for it to come to the temperature of the barbie. Nice glass of chilled white here. Do you notice anything different about me? No glasses. I've never had contact lenses before, so this past week I got them because I've got an issue going on with my eyes. So optician said contact lenses might suit you. So I'm on daily contact lenses, and oh God, I'm loving it. I can't use them every day because I've got to rest my eyes. But I'm loving them. So there you are. So that's my news. It's big, kind of like going all your life, well, a big spectrum part of your life, wearing glasses and suddenly going without them and being able to see. It's amazing. I can't believe, like, now, instead of going out with 3 pair of glasses, I just go out, have my contact lenses in, and I take a reading pair with me because that's the only thing that I actually need to be able to do clearly. So it's fantastic. So cheers, everyone. I'll be putting that chicken on in a few minutes. Oh, it's looking lovely. That's it. I'm going to cover it up, and then I'll turn it in a few minutes. I'm going to actually regulate some of the temperature on there now, so it doesn't just go cuckoo. Right, okay, that should slow it down a little bit.
What temperature did you get up to?
500.
It's normally 350 now.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, because the minute you lift the lid off, all your temperature that's in your lid goes straight out there. But now it's covered, I've just got to keep an eye and make sure everything looks fine in there. Right, okay, I'm just going to let that sit for a little while and then I'll carve it up. Smells beautiful.
Why is it spatchcocked?
And why is it spatchcocked? So it cooks evenly on the barbecue. John reminded me I didn't explain why we spatchcock on the barbecue. I mean, I think we actually, when we put the ceramic plate in we did one for your mum, didn't we, on a ceramic plate, which we cooked a chicken long and slow, which was quite good. She quite enjoyed that. So there was different methods. Okay, let's do the breast test. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. That looks... That's gorgeous. It's moist as well, which is about the, you know, chickens. They can dry out so quickly. And considering that's been on a terrific temperature, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And there's no pink bits at all. But that's where the thermometer comes in so useful. I mean, it literally went off, didn't it, when it was cooked? So brilliant. Anyway, guys, have a go at spatchcocking. It's fun. And enjoy eating it. Bye for now.